Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to change password for our hotspot in Samsung Galaxy S22. So where to look for it and how to change it. We need to go to Settings, Connections, and we are looking for our mobile hotspot. Here it is. Our hotspot is now on. So let's change our password. This is our current password. To change it, we need to use configure. Of course, we can change our network name if we want to. And here is our password. We can change whatever we want. Don't forget to save. And as you can see, our password has been changed to a new one. We don't have any devices connected, so it's not a problem. And back out. That's it. Our password is changed. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.